Hello everybody. Today we're going to make special patties. I'm using lentil beans, and they come out delicious and they're very good for you. A lot of protein and a lot of health benefits. Okay, so first what we're going to need is 1 cup of lentil beans. We're going to need 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. I'm going to mash them and cut them up and mash them. We're also going to need 1 medium-sized onion and a little bunch of cilantro, and I'm going to put 2 leaves of culantro, 2 leaves. If you don't have culantro, don't worry about it. It really doesn't need it. I'm also using coconut flour. I'm using coconut flour. This flour is really delicious. It has like a little bit of a sweet taste to it, but not too sweet. It really has a really good taste, and it's organic. So we're gonna try that. And carrot. The carrot is already peeled, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna grate it. So first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the lentils and wash them. That's what we're gonna do, because we need to get those lentils cooking first. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so we're gonna look through these lentils, make sure they don't have any little rocks or anything like this. They should be pretty clean. Oh, I found not a rock, but it's a little peel of some kind. So let's go ahead and wash them. Just rinse them. Rinse them really good. Now we're gonna put them to cook. Okay, so we're gonna put about that much water, and we're gonna put it in high heat, and we're gonna wait till it's boiling. Okay, once the water starts boiling, you're gonna add the lentils, the washed lentils, and 1 bay leaf. Now we're gonna leave them there for them. Once they start boiling again, we're gonna lower the heat to medium-low. Okay, so now we're gonna throw the onions in here. No, and don't throw them because they're gonna splash. We're gonna put the onions in here. Saute them a little bit. Okay, once they've been sauteing for about a minute or so, minute and a half, we're gonna add the garlic. These garlics are not very pretty, but they are garlic. Okay, so this is just going to be a few minutes here, just a few seconds, and that should be good like that. Should be good. So let's take the garlic. Let's take this off again and put it somewhere else. Okay, so we're going to put this in a plate, a separate plate, so it doesn't continue cooking. The onions and the garlic. Okay, now we're gonna go get the lentils, which I have cooling in front of the AC. Okay, I'm gonna transfer the lentil to the plate. They're still pretty warm. I need them to cool off. We're gonna mash them a little bit and take off the leaf. The bay leaf done its job. So we're just gonna mash them some. In the meantime, they'll cool off as we go. Okay, so here we have the mashed lentil, more or less mashed. You don't have to mash them completely. So here they are. Now we're gonna add the onions and the garlic that we cooked. And mix it a little bit. And now we're gonna add the carrots. The grated carrots, we're gonna add them. And the same, we're gonna mix it. And we're gonna add the rest. Okay, and now we're gonna add the cilantro and the 2 leaves of culantro we added, but we're not gonna add the whole thing. And mix. Okay, and if you want, you can taste it now. Taste it and see if it needs a little bit more salt. Now is the time to add it. Or if you want to add any other ingredient, maybe, I don't know, maybe a little bit of cumin. So let me just taste it. Okay, it really doesn't need any salt to my taste. It doesn't need salt. Okay, so I am gonna add cumin, a little bit of cumin, about like that, and it's the green cumin, it's not the powder. So I'm gonna add maybe, yeah, that's okay. Okay. Also, one more thing. You don't have to add it, but if you like, you can add it. Anything you want. I'm gonna add a little bit of chili powder. Just a tiny bit. Here we go. And now we're gonna mix this again. And I'm gonna add a little bit more of the cilantro, because I just need a little bit maybe to put over it once they're done. So this is gonna give it a really good taste. The cumin and the chili powder. Okay, so now we're gonna take 3/4 cup of the coconut flour. 3/4 of a cup. Okay, and little by little we're gonna incorporate. I put this here because I need more room to work with, and that bowl just wasn't working for me. So we're gonna add the flour little by little and mix it. Okay, this should be good. Shouldn't be more than this. So I used 1/2 cup. And we're also going to use 1 egg, an entire egg. We need those patties to stick together. one more egg. Okay, this is a good consistency. If you need to add more egg to it to get a consistency that looks like this, you may do so. Or maybe just add a little bit less flour. But this is the consistency you need to make those patties. Nice little patties. Okay, I'm gonna put it there. Any shape you want. You can make them square if you like, or triangle. Still gonna taste very good. Okay, so now we're gonna use the same pan where we sauteed the onions and the garlic. We're gonna put a little bit more oil in there. To fry these babies. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and fry them. Remember, lentils are already cooked, so they're really just a matter of browning them. It doesn't take long. Okay. I'm gonna put them in medium to low heat. Medium high heat we're going to put them. And it takes approximately 2 minutes each side. Drizzle a little bit more oil in there so they brown nice and they brown nicely. Okay, so here we are. These are my patties. I have some avocados, which I'm gonna be very healthy and just eat the lentil patties with avocado. But my son Ivan made this really special sauce, which he makes it with ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise,
honey,
a little bit of honey,
and like a garlic herb spice.
Okay, garlic herb spices.
And parsley.
Oh, and parsley flake. Yeah. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this. I might put it here on the side, drizzle it like that, like the chefs do. Like that, so I can dip it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and watch my other videos and put the little bell for notification whenever I upload a new video. God bless you and good night.